My project was about being a successful full-time student and a full-time college athlete all at the same time. This program is geared toward college athletes that are either incoming freshmen or transfer students away from home for the first time. It is compiled of many individualized programs to help these students succeed in multiple aspects of their college career depending on what they feel they need the most. Many of these students lack the time management and self-help skills that they need to not fall behind in their first year away from home, since they don't have a parent figure constantly standing over them and hounding them to stay on top of what they need to be doing. I have come up with 3 general objectives that can be adjusted per student depending on their individualized program that has been designed for their specific needs. These objectives include topics such as time management and scheduling, communication between the student and their mentor and how well they're staying on track with their tasks such as academics, along with their sports activities, as well as sticking to their meal plan. The ID model I have chosen to go with for this project is the one called Pebble in the Pond by David Morrell. This model makes it easy to individualize learning by separating steps for different types of tasks. Each student has different experience coming into this program, therefore they have all different needs, and this model best allows for that. In order to succeed through this program, everything is truly based on one element branching off and affecting the next one, which is just how this model seems to work. I have chosen to use many different types of strategies and tools for this program in order to help each student fully succeed in the best way possible. The first meeting, whether it be in person or through a virtual chat, will include the showing of a compilation video, a discussion branching off of that video, and the introduction of the mentors for each student. The video will show a compilation of both positive and negative moments through a student athlete's college career, which in turn will prompt a decently sized discussion between all the students. After this discussion, each student will be assigned their own personal mentor that will be their main support system and will help them design their own plan based on what they feel they need the most work on. After the conclusion of this first meeting, the students will work thoroughly with their mentors to work through their plan that they have designed. They will also work through other strategies and tools such as discussion board conversations on Blackboard, small group chats through Blackboard Collaborate or Skype, and focus on graphs and visual aids that I will create to help track their progress based on different assessments and feedback that are given. The students will be assessed through 3 main things: their online posts, their constant communication through the mentors and I using multiple different means of technology, as well as their weekly reports that they will fill out. These reports are called their week in review, and it will explain their progress as well as their upcoming challenges that they will be facing. I have 2 main outcomes that I anticipate these students to achieve at the conclusion of the program. One would be that the students meet the objectives presented in the beginning of this presentation that are obviously adjusted to their own program, as well as the personal goals that they set for themselves in the beginning with their mentor when they design their program. Setting their own goal helps them become more intrinsically motivated towards their own personal outcome. My strategies for the evaluation of this program are a peer review and a small group evaluation compiled of former successful college student athletes, as well as 2 college coaches. Within these evaluations, all parties are asked to provide at least 3 positive points that they have found through the program and at least 2 elements in which I could improve. If implemented properly, this program can truly help a great deal of students learn habits that will not only better their college career, but their entire life, should they let it. To be able to make such a huge impact in a student's life for the better is truly the best part of teaching, and I hope that I'm able to accomplish that a great deal within my